we're almost at Maverick's place. We're picking up Maverick and James, and we're meeting up with Caden, and we're meeting up with Lucas too. And we're just going up for half a day up at Sasquatch. We're just going up for half a day because I got Christmas stuff gotta do with my family, and then I think it's still gonna be a sick day. It said it was gonna be, there's gonna be like a little bit of snow, so should get a little bit of powder. It's gonna be a fun day, I think. But yeah, I'm just on my way to pick up Maverick and James right now, and then we're meeting up with Caden and Lucas at the gas station on the way. And yeah, it's gonna be a fucking awesome day. What is up? Dude, she's fucking, it's coming down, hey?
No kidding.
Where's James?
He's inside too.
Is he inside?
I think he has to get a pass.
Okay. I have his gloves, James' gloves.
Did he not grab his more?
No. Is there only one left open today?
I don't know, I see yellow one and I hope that's not the only one.
Is yellow moving? Oh yeah, it is. Were you guys here on Tuesday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I played hooky from work and
Yeah, nice.
Ended up getting on like 4th or 5th chair there.
Nice. Yeah, we came up on Tuesday too, and it was incredible.
Yeah. You're getting there.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Yoo-hoo! Oh, she's so crispy underneath. I'm going left. Yoo-hoo! Oh no! She's deep! Huh? Oh. Yoo-hoo! That was crazy, dude. Oh my god. Oh. Yo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yo. Woohoo! Oh, this is so nice. Woo! Oh. Oh.
It's gonna be a leg burner of a day.
Oh, I know, my leg's already done. That was first run.
Yeah, my back leg was like, oh fuck. I need to give it a rest, but if I fucking give it a rest,
I know. It's coming down.
I'm happy.
Me too. It's sick. But I'm sweating.
I'm not much of a sweater, but fuck, my back leg was burning.
Oh yeah, dude. I was having to like kind of distribute like my weight like more forward when I could, because my back leg was fucking burning too.
Oh, yeah.
Even in this on this thing.
So why didn't you put your new bindings on your new board?
Because those binding, the unions are like more park and like just cruising bindings. These are more stiff. I want more response on my Orca.
Oh, that's nice.
These are like, they're like rated, I think 7 bindings. And then the board's like a 6, I think. So it's like, it kind of goes from like a flex of a 6 to like a flex of a 7, and then my boots are like 7.5 flex. Nice. So it's kind of like, it makes it like smooth, if that makes any sense.
Oh, that makes sense.
I'm gonna go like sharp right, come down here, and then go back onto the run. Cause this looks like fun right here.
James already sent it?
Huh?
James already sent it?
James?
Yeah.
No, we're waiting for him.
No, he was just here.
Are you fucking with us? Is he?
Oh, wait, never mind. That's not me. I thought you were my other buddy.
Oh, no, sorry.
They already sent it. I'm the slow one.
We got two friends named James.
Holy fuck.
Took you long enough.
Is that done?
James?
Yeah.
Hey, James?
Yeah.
James!
No, but they've seen us alive.
James! Have you done a run yet?
Sorry, my music's cranked, so I can't hear you.
Oh, okay. Yo, let's go right. Cut hard right. Yeah, right here, right here. Yo! Let's go. Watch out behind you, James.
Right here, right here.
Want to go here? Holy fuck! That was crazy. Oh, here comes James. That was sick. Holy shit. Okay, so we'll go, same thing, we'll go left and just follow. Oh my god, James.
My bad.
Okay. Yeah, we'll follow this and go left. I gotta go around the tree here. Woohoo! Oh! Yeah! Watch this! Woohoo! Oh! 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 Yo, slow down. James, slow down. I'm just gonna ride it out here. Just go down there. Oh! Yo! Woohoo! Yo! Sick! Average! Yo! This is woohoo! Woohoo! Oh! Oh shit! Hey, left! Oh. Hit it! Yeah!
Gabe cut me off. I went right into all that snow.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Damn it.
Are they? Oh. Bro, we just had the best run. Oh my god. We went like right off the, like right on the right of the face, and we're just going down the whole time on like the ridge. It was...
That's exactly where we just came down.
Really?
It's just straight powder.
Oh. You right there? Where's James? Oh, there he is. Oh my god. I had to cut more this way. Yeah, this is deep. Holy God. Where am I? I keep going right. Huh. Is that a drop? I can't even tell. Ew! Oh my God. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. I'm so deep. Wonder if I should just keep going down that way. No, I gotta cut that way. Okay. Time to boot pack, just a little bit. Can't even get to my binding. Whew. Oh, holy shit. She is so deep. Oh, I should have cut more right instead of came down here. Oh, it's getting, oh, no, it was getting a little soft. Or I mean hard. I just sink. Holy. Oh, that's about hard snow. Oh man. Can't see anything, dude. What the hell? My goggles are so fogged up. Whew. Oh! I got stuck. Yeah, I got stuck. I went on the trees. I was like, I'm gonna see where this goes. Flat spot. I had to boom pack. All right, let's hit it.